There's a new Ford Raptor coming out, and you know I'm excited about it. How you like that transition? It's going to have the V8 in it, and we have pictures now. Look at how bold and aggressive that thing looks. Now, how do you feel? Right away, I want to ask you, this versus the TRX that we talked about, because they're going head-to-head, 700-plus horsepower, the two V8 super trucks. What's it going to be for you? The new Raptor or the TRX?
Is there a picture of the TRX here?
Not in this article. You'll have to bring it up. You don't remember? Come on, man.
Well, I do like the Ford Raptor. I've driven it a couple times.
Hey, man. Easy.
And it's cool.
Yeah.
I like it.
You feel like you're in charge of the road when you're in the Raptor.
It's like driving a boat.
Yeah,
so
you're way up
tall
there, and you're looking down, and you could drive over anything. When I'm driving it, I like to take it right up on the grass and go, off-road sometimes if I need to.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you really feel like you can go a lot of places. And anyway, so
It's fun. It's fun.
They put out a new F-150, so the Raptor has to follow suit, but it usually takes place a little bit after the regular model F-150. And this is our first glimpse at what they're going to do. Now, the regular Raptor is not going to have a V8. The regular Raptor will have the EcoBoost engine, and it's a decent engine, 500 horsepower. It's just that Ram put out that crazy TRX. And so the model that I'm pumped up for is the Ford Raptor R, which is going to likely have 700 plus horsepower and a V8 engine. So it's going to sound, it's going to sound mean. And hopefully we're able to get one over here. And Willie, you could take it off-road like that. Look at the suspension over here.
That's cool.
My goodness. Yeah, they're changing the springs in there, which they're going to, what is it? A 5-link coil-sprung suspension instead of leaf springs. Supposedly, in the off-road community, better ride, more flexibility.
So will this adopt Android, Google?
No.
With the Ford deal?
That's not till 2023. This will have Android Auto, but you'll have to plug in.
I see.
You'll have to plug in for that in the meantime. And yes, there was a rumor it might not be street legal. Yes, the Raptor R will be street legal. It's going to have 37-inch tires, upgrade suspension, slew of other tweaks. And what can I say? I'm excited for it. I hope the R doesn't take too long to come by. I know it's going to be hard to get your hands on it, even when it does.